Hello, I'm Stevan Lukic. I'm the CEO of Civils.ai, and we're making every construction project easier to design. Did you know that every year close to $2 trillion is lost due to data errors in the construction industry? And this is especially a problem in the early stages of construction projects, where engineers such as myself will be faced with the maximum number of unknowns and uncertainty on the project. This was me 1 year ago. I'd be doing lots of these early stage designs and planning for construction projects. And one thing I found is that every construction project starts with some understanding of what's underground. The problem here is that this data is nearly always trapped in PDFs. And engineers like myself would spend lots of our time searching through these PDFs, finding the data we need, and plugging it into our engineering calculators and tools. My problem inspired the creation of Civils.ai. It's the reason I quit my comfortable corporate job back in January. So what do we do with Civils.ai? We use an AI-driven approach to mine publicly available data and map the geology of major cities around the world. We then use this data to create Minecraft-esque environments in which engineers can simulate and run calculations on their construction projects. Why are we doing this now? So this hasn't been possible before today. Only recently, with the smart cities movement, have datasets such as these become publicly available. And data is seen as the new oil in the construction industry, and access to datasets like this is seen as the top priority for a lot of engineering offices. Earlier this year, we launched an MVP to test the hypothesis, seeing whether or not linking in engineering calculators and data is useful to engineers. And we've proven that it is. We've grown at over 9% per week since we launched in January 2022, up to over 10,000 monthly active users. We're supported by a global community of over 100 engineers from around the world. And our software has been used in over 184 countries so far, and we're only just getting started. Let's take a look at our product roadmap. So throughout 2022, we've been launching engineering calculators, connecting in construction data. The next step on the product roadmap is an evolution of this idea. Lots of industry data is trapped in PDFs, in particular geological records. We're developing AI models that can extract and digitize this information automatically, allowing engineers to create 3D models and simulations of their construction projects. We're then working with data providers from across the construction industry, including the British Geological Survey, where we have access to over 1.5 million geological records that are publicly available, which can be enabled in these engineers' models. We're then taking what we learn in the UK to the rest of Europe, North America, and beyond. We're monetizing through a freemium model for businesses, and we're currently working with a select group of engineering offices to test monetization and willingness to pay. We have the perfect team for this. I have a background in civil engineering, and I'm a full-stack web developer. My co-founder, Mirko, is a past founder of an AI SaaS startup with 7 years in tech and strategy consulting. Our seed round's currently open, and we're looking to fundraise our next 18th month roadmap. Our vision is to become the Google Maps of the underground. When Google first started, their mission was to organize and digitize the world's information. Our mission is to digitize the world.